What's up, food? I'm Tony Two-Ton. This is Jackson.
Hi.
And today I'm going to show you how to do stir-fry noodle with any protein leftovers you have in the fridge. I don't know about your house, but in our house, we tend to overcook a lot. And we have lately, we've been quarantined, so we have a lot of leftovers. Okay? And I'm gonna show you how to do stir-fried noodles with leftovers. So let's go to the kitchen and see what we got. Let's go. So here we go, guys. Let's take a look in the fridge and see what leftover we got for the stir-fried noodle. So of course we got the noodle from the wonton noodles we made yesterday. We got that. And look, shrimp. We got some shrimp here. What else? Rice. Oh, we got pork chop, grilled pork chop. It'd be awesome with the stir-fried noodle. Let's just get some vegetables. Baby bok choy. Yes, this is gonna be awesome. And then we get some garlic. Then we get some onions, and then we're gonna get to cooking. All right, stir-fried noodle coming your way. Let's go.